Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover a 1x bet account. Alright, let's begin. So as you can see here, I'm using my mobile device. Here I have the 1x bet mobile application. So to recover it, you have to just go to the bottom right side corner where you will see this menu bar, and once you're here, you have to scroll to the bottom where you'll find this option of customer support. Then you will get three options: chat option, online call, and contact. The fastest method is just to go to the chat, right? And here it will just load for a few seconds, so you have to wait. In the chat section, you have to just start the chat here. Then you will get this option, right? And here you can just write, I want to recover my account. Now maybe they will just give a lot of things. So here, as you can see, basically, first of all, they will ask you to log in into your account. And this is the fastest way to recover your accounts. As you can see, if you forgot a password, then just go and try to, re-log in into your account. And here are some basic answers. Here, some of the methods and answers we found are relevant. If you find this answer is not relevant to your problem, you can ask further question, and what you have to do is you have to just again call the operator. The operator is just now online and here to help. Now, here you have to again ask that person to help you regarding recovering your account. So that's basically how you can recover a 1x bet account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.